Can gaming on a TV be cinematic? Well, this LG G4 OLED TV that I'm currently reviewing sure does take a step in that direction. Not only is it the brightest OLED TV that LG has ever made and as bright as some mini LED TVs, but it has all the gaming features you could need. ALLM, FreeSync, G-Sync, the kitchen sink, you name it. At 83 inches, it's their largest OLED TV with their micro lens array technology that helps to increase the screen brightness. It has an input lag of 4.8 milliseconds at 120 Hz and 12.9 milliseconds at 60 Hz. It also has 4 HDMI 2.1 ports, so I have it hooked up to my gaming PC, my Xbox Series X, and the PS5. I'm still testing, but so far it's pretty sweet.